Good evening, my timeless friend. Happy birthday. Tonight I will be doing two pieces for you. The first piece is Timeless. Standing close, I feel the wind against this frigid sky. I kick off my shoes, curl on the couch with me, myself, and I, and with honey tea, a well-read book, I grab my warm Afghan and nestle beneath the crocheted yarn and think about this man who is timeless. Timeless like the autumn leaves which dance upon the foliage, like summer rain which grows the grass and tulips in the spillage, like music like the painter's brush which strokes his work of art, and Beethoven and Chopin who plays upon the heart. This man is timeless. Like violins which pluck their notes and strum in splendid measure, as songs and poems and symphonies and words which bring me pleasure, like a little piece of chocolate, like well-fermented wine, and as the Stradivarius, he gets better in his time, like Versace and Gucci, oh, and Vera Wang, as Da Vinci and Latte and Class and Simple Things. This man is timeless. He is timeless like the mustard seed which metamorphs in bloom, as moonlit nights and candlelight which illuminates a room. He is timeless as the Yellowstone and like the cedar tree, as New Year's Eve in Old Lang Syne and down on bended knee. This man is timeless. Timeless as the hues in autumn, browns, reds, and yellows, as daffodils and little feet which scurry through the meadows, like days and weeks and months and years and insurmountable hours, like my favorite orange tulips and the scent of orchid flowers, like Versace and Gucci, oh, and Vera Wang, as Da Vinci and Latte and Class and Simple Things. He is timeless like the warmth I feel wrapped in my Afghan, which comforts me and totals up the sum of this man. This man is timeless.